Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside this video we're discussing about mobile wallets. Now this is my next video in the wallet series. If you've not checked out my previous videos about wallets, please go ahead and check them out. I'll leave the link for them in the description below. Now before we proceed, I would like to thank the sponsors of this video, which is a new exchange in India called instacrypto.in. They are a multi-cryptocurrency exchange, and they're currently offering 5 coins: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and WorldCoin. Now they're the first exchange in India to launch WorldCoin. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check them out. The USP of this particular exchange is it's very simple. They don't have complicated trading engines, and it's very user friendly, especially for the beginners. Now coming to mobile wallets, I'm sure a lot of you or everybody nowadays uses mobile wallets, be it crypto based or be it otherwise. There are a lot of mobile wallets, and there are a lot of UPI based wallets as well right now, and a lot of wallets have integrated UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface, onto them. Now the most convenient thing about mobile wallets is these wallets are on your mobile phones, right? So mobiles have become an essential part of our lives, where we do a lot of things, be it shopping, be it paying bills, be it connecting with friends, doing transactions, being banking. Everything is now today being done on the mobile phones. So having a wallet on your mobile phone also gives you that convenience, where you can do all the transactions or payments on your mobile wallets. So as the name itself suggests, mobile wallets are nothing but apps that can be installed on your mobile phones, and the different platforms when it comes to mobile phones, like Android and iOS being the most popular platforms, that also non-popular platforms like Windows Phone, BlackBerry, and Nokia operating systems, etc. So they're basically wallet apps that's been developed for all the platforms. Although Windows Phone and BlackBerry don't get the same number and quality of apps that Android and iOS get, just because there are more Android and iOS users, it also makes sense for the developers to create more or focus their resources more towards Android and iOS. So what happens in mobile wallets is, unlike your web wallets, on your mobile wallets the private keys are stored on your mobile phone. So that is where you go ahead and have access to your private keys and have control over your funds. Now a lot of people get confused when I say this. A lot of people think apps like ZepPay or Coinbase or blockchain.info, these are all mobile wallets. They are not mobile wallets. Yes, you heard me right, they're not mobile wallets. They're just apps to basically sync your Coinbase account or ZepPay account or your blockchain info account with your mobile phone. Okay, although ZepPay is an entirely mobile based exchange, so it doesn't have a web version of it, but Coinbase and blockchain.info, these are basically, they have web wallets, and when you install an app on your phone, it basically just syncs your web version to your mobile phone version. They have made these apps just so that it becomes easier for the users to access their accounts and transfer and use the funds. Okay, but they are not mobile wallets. So let's quickly look at some of the important features of the mobile wallets. Now the first important feature is that it's a light wallet, which is also called as SPV, Simplified Payment Verification, and because of this it's very easy to set up and very easy to access. Now if you have checked out my previous video, I gave you the difference between a light wallet and a full wallet, where a light wallet will only download the information that's necessary for the transactions that are going to happen in its wallet, rather than downloading the entire blockchain. That is the reason the size, the speed, and the setup is very easy on the mobile wallets. Now second feature is the simple interface. Now if you have checked out all the mobile wallets that are out there, they're developed keeping the interface in mind. They have a minimalistic design, and they have a very easy interface, so that it's easy for people to use on a daily basis. So you'd have to definitely thank the developers for developing such amazing wallets with such beautiful interfaces. The third thing is it's fast and convenient. Now nothing beats the experience, and nothing beats the speed when you have to make a transaction, or if you have to make a payment in a particular store, and you just open your app, scan the QR code and finish the payment, right? Yes, you can copy paste the address and send the funds and make the payments, but nothing beats the speed at which you can just scan the QR code and complete the payments, right? That always is very fast, and it's very convenient as well when it comes to mobile wallets, because we carry around mobiles everywhere. Even though we forget to carry other sources of payments like our wallets or our cards, we always have our mobile phones, and using mobile wallets to make payments is very, very fast and very, very convenient. The next important feature is control over your funds. As I previously mentioned, that the private keys are stored on your mobile phone itself, so there is no third-party involvement, so you don't have to rely on any third party to secure or store your private keys. It's already there on your mobile phone, so no third party can freeze your funds that's stored on your mobile phone as well. Okay, so you basically have the private key, and you basically have the control of all the funds that's on your mobile wallet. But there is another catch to it. You would have to be careful and go ahead and back up the wallet by backing up the seed phrases and the private keys if necessary. And I would also recommend you to enable two-factor authentication on your wallets and on your phones. Now, why do I say this? Because just like any other device, mobiles are also prone to accidents and prone to thefts. So you could easily lose your phone, you could easily damage your phone, which might result in you not accessing your mobile wallets, and you may not be able to access the funds that's inside your mobile wallet. So how do you counter this? All you have to do is go ahead and back up your seed phrases, and in case if your phone gets stolen or is met with an accident, you can easily install the wallet on another phone and use the seed phrase to get your wallet back up and running, and also access the funds that's on that was stored in your mobile wallet. And again, two-factor authentication is very, very important in case if your wallet is or if your phone is stolen, so that nobody gets access to your funds that's stored on your mobile wallet. So backing up and enabling two-factor authentication is definitely advised. Next important feature is the basic privacy. Now, all mobile wallets nowadays do go ahead and generate a new address every time you want to make a transaction, and although you would have to still keep a track of all the wallet addresses that's being generated from your mobile wallet, so that definitely brings in privacy to your mobile wallets as well. Although I would not say it is as private as a hardware wallet or a paper wallet, but it's definitely a lot better when compared to the exchange wallets and web wallets. Mobile wallets are recommended for daily transactions and transfers, as I already mentioned, because of the convenience, because of the speed at which you can use mobile wallets, and the mobile phones are always with you at all times. So it's always recommended to use mobile wallets for daily transactions and transfers. I would not recommend mobile wallets for storing or using for large amounts, or if you're looking out to store crypto for a longer period of time, then I would say mobile wallets would not be the best option. I would suggest to go for more better options like hardware wallets or paper wallets, because again, mobile wallets are connected to the internet, and the hardware wallets and paper wallets are not connected to the internet, so that makes more sense to go ahead and store your funds for a longer period of time. But if you're using mobile wallets for daily transactions, daily payments, and you use it regularly, then I would definitely suggest using mobile wallets for your usage. Now let's quickly look at some of the popular wallets depending on the mobile platforms. Now for Android, we have a popular multi-cryptocurrency wallet called Coinomi, which hosts a huge number of crypto coins. And for iOS, you have Jaxx, which is again a very popular wallet, which is again a multi-cryptocurrency wallet. For Windows Phone, there is Coinspace, and for BlackBerry, there is Bitcoin wallet. Now, I was not able to find more wallets for Windows phones and BlackBerry. If you have come across any good wallets, I definitely recommend you to let us know so that we can also check them out. So those are the popular wallets when it comes to the mobile platforms. Now in my upcoming videos, I will be going ahead and taking you through a tour of Coinomi and Jaxx, where I'll go ahead and show you how to install, set up, and how to secure and enable two-factor authentication on your Coinomi wallet and your Jaxx wallet. So if you have not subscribed yet, I would highly recommend you go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you'll get notified whenever we post those next videos. So that's about mobile wallets, guys. So hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or if you have anything you would like to add to this video, I would love to read them. Please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below this video. And if you like this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and share it with anybody who you think would be benefited from this video. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.